Hey everybody, Andy Stickel here. Welcome to the Law Firm Marketing Hacks Podcast. Today I'm going to tell you the one question you should always ask yourself before you do any type of marketing for your law firm, ever. Stick around. You're not just a lawyer, you're a defender of the defenseless. You possess a license that allows you to fight for those who can't fight for themselves. But while you're fighting for others, who's watching out for you? For far too long, lawyers have been fed line after line by big marketing companies, promising the world and delivering nothing. And even worse, think of all the people you were unable to help just because they didn't know you existed. That ends today. It's time to take the power back. This podcast will teach you how law firm marketing really works, how to not only get more clients, but how to get your dream clients, how to save time, how to save money, how to save energy by only focusing on tactics that work so you can grow your firm and help more people, and how to never get screwed by a marketing company ever again. My name is Andy Stickel, and I've helped thousands of lawyers, and I can help you too. This is the Law Firm Marketing Hacks Podcast. All right, so the one question that you should always ask yourself whenever you do any sort of marketing material for your law firm is you should always ask yourself, what's in it for me? But you should not ask yourself what's in it for you from the perspective of you. You should ask yourself, what's in it for me from the perspective of the person who is looking at that advertisement. So from the prospective client, everything you need to do, or whenever you any sort of marketing, you always need to look at that ad and you need to put yourself in the shoe of your prospective client and think, okay, I'm the client. What's in it for me? Why should I contact this attorney? What am I going to get out of this? Because you have to remember at the end of the day, at the very end of the day, people only care about themselves. It's their favorite topic. Everyone's favorite subject is themselves. So when you provide any sort of ads, you always have to lead with what the person who is looking at the ad is going to get out of that advertisement. That's why everything I do is I look at whatever I'm trying to do, whatever message I'm trying to push for lawyers. And what I say is, okay, my thing is always, what is the lawyer going to get out of reading this? That's why everything I do is focused on how to get more law firm clients. You know, so that's why my book is called How to Get More Law Firm Clients. If you're a lawyer, you can look at that title and you know right away, okay, what's in it for me? Okay, if I read this book, I'm probably going to learn about how to get more law firm clients. So that's something that you always need to do. And it's something that most lawyers screw up all the time. When I go to a website for a lawyer or I look at a Facebook ad, a lot of times I see ads that are just talking about the lawyer. I saw a billboard in Lakeland here, and basically it was a big picture of the lawyer, and it said super lawyers and National Trial Lawyers Association or $1 Million Advocates or whatever it was. All it was doing was talking about the lawyer. It didn't say anything about what that lawyer can help me with. It didn't say, if you really think about, at the end of the day, why do people hire a lawyer? They hire a lawyer because they have a problem that they need a solution to. Nobody wants to hire a lawyer. What they want is they want a solution to a problem. And unfortunately for them, hiring a lawyer is the way that they can get the solution to that problem. The lawyer is the catalyst for the solution. Nobody says, I want to hire a lawyer. If most people could solve their problem without hiring a lawyer, they wouldn't hire a lawyer. There's a saying where basically, if holes dug themselves, no one would ever buy a shovel. You know, so what you need to do is you need to always keep that in mind. You always have to remember with your marketing, always put yourself in the shoes of the person who is going to be reading the marketing and think from their perspective, look at the ad objectively. And sometimes it's hard to do. And sometimes what you can even do is you can send the ad off to somebody else and get their opinion, because I know sometimes it's hard to separate yourself from your marketing message. So what you need to do is you need to look at your ad. If you're a divorce lawyer, so for example, if you're a divorce lawyer, for example, let's say you're running an ad for divorce. Now think about this. What do people that are going through divorce typically want? They probably want either more time with they want to make sure they're not going to lose time with their kids. They want to avoid a war with their spouse. They want to make sure they're taken care of financially. They want all these different things. So why not make your marketing message focused around the things that they want? Make it focused around something to do with the collaborative side of divorce, where basically you can have divorce without war and get more time without your kids, and creative solutions to ensure that families are taken care of, different things like that. So that when someone sees that message, they're seeing, oh, okay, if I go with this divorce lawyer, then they're going to focus on me and they're going to focus on the things that I want, Same thing with personal injury attorneys. Personal injury attorneys, they always want to talk about how you're $1 million advocates and all this type of stuff. But really, what people want is they want to make sure that they're getting compensation. They want to make sure that their medical bills are covered. They want to make sure that they're going to get lost wages covered. They want to make sure that they're getting compensated for their pain and suffering. Whatever it is that they want to get, they don't care that you're in the National Trial Advocates Board or that you're a super lawyer. What they care about is themselves. They care about what are they going to get out of hiring you. So whenever you do any sort of ad, whether it's a Google ad, whether it's your website, whether it's the banner on your website, whether it's a Facebook ad, whether it's a radio ad, whether it's a TV ad, whether it's a billboard, always focus on the what's in it for me, and you will have much better success every single time. So just remember that, what's in it for me. Talk to you soon. Thanks for listening to the Law Firm Marketing Hacks podcast. Remember to subscribe and to leave a review. Are you having trouble getting your ideal clients for your law firm? Do you want to know how to get more clients fast? Well, a lot of people don't realize that I recently released a nearly 200-page book filled with strategies to help you get more clients for your law firm fast. In fact, the book is called How to Get More Law Firm Clients Without Losing Time and Money or Getting Screwed by a Marketing Company. And I want to give you a copy completely free. Just go to lawfirmbook.com to reserve your free copy today. Just cover a small shipping and handling fee, and I'll send you a copy right to your door. It's packed with step-by-step actionable strategies that will help you get more clients. You'll learn the exact strategy that I've used to help lawyers all over the world build thriving law firms. So start getting more clients, more cases, and making more money for your law firm. Go to lawfirmbook.com to get your free book today. They're going fast, so make sure to get yours while they're still available.